Good morning, class. Today's our topic is quantization of charge. So, first of all, what is the definition given by the quantization of charge? Any charge body have the charge such that it is an integral multiple of the smallest value of the charge, which is denoted by the E. And here, the value of the E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. You know that this is the charge possessed by an electron. So for the any kind of electrification process, we know that the transference of electron is responsible for the electrification. For example, if a body have the excess of electron, so that body become negatively charged, and that means we are adding electron by any electrification process. And if we are removing the electron from the any body, that body become positively charged because the number of protons are increased now. So by any means of the electrification process, we can mathematically explain the charge body have the charge q is equal to plus minus ne, where plus minus indicates the whether it the excess of electron or the deficiency of the electron, and the value of the e here, you know that, which is the charge possessed by an electron, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So in here n is basically the integer set, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to the infinity. So if we ask you the question, what is the smallest value of the charge we can put up on any body, so the answer is when n is equal to 1. That means we cannot give the charge to any body less than e, right? So if you see the question, which is already comes in the board examination, can a body possess a charge of 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb of charge? So here we can see that the value of the charge is given 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So let us assume this is a charge possessed by a body. So here you can see the value of the Q is 2.4 10 to the minus 19 coulomb, but according to the condition of the quantization, Q should be equals to Ne. So what is the number of electron responsible to generate this amount of the charge? So here N is equal to Q by E. So when you put the value of N here, 2.4 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb divided by the value of the E, we are getting the value of N is 3 by 2 or 1.5. 1.5 value of the N is indicates we have to transfer 1.5 electron, yani one complete electron and the half electron. So which is the violation of the quantization condition, because we cannot transfer the half electron to anybody. So it is impossible to charge a body which is the value of 2.4 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb.